Hey YouTube, I just got my Blue Max 22-inch gas chainsaw dropped off by UPS, 57cc. I just want to kind of do a quick unboxing only because this is a 22-inch chainsaw, 57cc, and it's dirt cheap. So people probably wonder what's it like. Paid like $180 for it with shipping. And all I did was cut the bands right there and then cut the tape. So you can see it does not come with a case, which I knew it didn't. It does come with this chain guard, very thin and cheesy. Yeah, it's a guard, but it's not a very heavy duty one. I didn't expect much out of this saw anyway. I'm not going to use it much. That's why I bought it. Just cuts down a couple big trees and I'd be happy with it. Anyway, well, this is 40 to 1, which most chainsaws I believe are 50 to 1. And comes with a little fuel mixing canister. That's kind of, I guess that makes it easier to mix the oil. And the rest of this packaging looks pretty bare bones. It is double boxed, so that's a plus. Very thin protective cardboard there. I don't know if that does much. Let's see. So we've got the owner's manual, and a couple screwdrivers, stuff there. There's the actual saw itself. Just wrapped in plastic, no foam protecting anything. Here's the chain. Let's see if hopefully no damage to it. Packaging's not very good. But hopefully nothing's cracked. So most of this plastic is probably not very well made, but okay, well, I don't see any cracks or anything. It is, it's not, it'd be a little heavier. It's not too bad. So, okay. And a little more protective cardboard. Oh, that's nice. There's a couple of screws laying here. Must have probably fallen out of some type of package. And there's the bar. And it looks like it actually poked holes through both ends of the box. So, yeah. I'd say shipping damage would probably be my biggest concern with this. But, there you have it. That's the unboxing of the Blue Max 22-inch 57cc chainsaw. My next video will be actually using it, but said for 180 bucks. I didn't expect much, and well, it all arrived safely, so we'll use the saw and do a video on how it works. Thanks for watching.